To connect Samsung Galaxy F07 with a car, first of all, we'll need to open settings on our device. Next step is to enter connected devices right here, and then you can click on Android Auto. That way you'll be able to connect your phone with your vehicle. Click on this plus button, and here it may ask you to also update Android Auto app or log into your Google Play Store. So make sure to do that, and after that we can start connecting. Here you can connect using a cable or a wireless method. So for cable, you will need a cable that allows you to connect your car and your phone. Then after plugging it in, you should be able to continue the setup through here. If it doesn't continue, that might mean that the cable is not compatible or something like that, or you're plugging it into the wrong port. And then the other way to do it is that you can try to connect it through the Bluetooth. To do that, you will need to enter pairing mode on your car. So make sure to enter pairing mode, and after that, click on connect using Bluetooth. Pair the vehicle, and now wait until your car shows up on available devices. Select your car, and that way you'll be able to connect it with your phone. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.